So here we have the wood already cut and run through the planer. We have 16 strips of western red cedar and 1 strip of cherry, which will form the centerpiece of the paddle. Like I say, I've already run them through the table saw and the thickness planer to get the surfaces just right. And now they're ready to be glued up. We'll talk about it here first. Hey YouTube, Joe here. So we're back for another video. And I just had this idea about an hour or so ago. I'm going to do a video on building a canoe paddle. Probably going to be one of the otter tail style. What I have here is 17 pieces of wood. This will form the shaft. We have a piece of cherry. That's going to be sandwiched between 2 pieces of western red cedar. So that's going to form up the shaft. We've got 6 little lock cuts right here. Give you a better look at these. I don't know if you can see that, but these guys are going to form the grip. So after the shaft, these will get glued onto one end of the shaft to form the grip. That's 6 pieces of wood, 3 pieces of wood. And here we have another 8 pieces of wood. I'll just grab one set, half of these. The other half is the same. So these are going to form up to form the blades. So that'll be one blade, and the other one over there, obviously, that will be the second blade. So just roughly speaking, line this up a little bit. Going to form the shaft and the blade, and then of course the grip on the other end. So this first video of the series is just basically showing you the wood that I picked out for the paddle. All western red cedar except for 1 center strip of cherry. Next I'll get this video up, and then I'll do probably the second video will be the laminating process, getting it all glued up. Do another one of drawing out the shape of the paddle, running it through the bandsaw, and so on. And something I'm going to play around with. Might take a week or 2 to get this one done. Just had the idea today. It's all going to be a series of short videos, nothing too in-depth, just a few minutes each. Thought it might be fun. Anyways, if you like that, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll be back soon with another video.